We are pleased to show you the 2020 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lamps, privacy glass. Come see the car for yourself.